What's the meaning of April? April. April.
April. April. April is the fourth month of the year in the Gregorian calendar, consisting of 30 days. It is often associated with springtime, as many regions experience mild weather and the blooming of flowers during this time. The name April is believed to have originated from the Latin word aperire, which means to open, possibly referencing the opening of buds and blossoms. In some cultures, April is also linked to renewal and rebirth, as it marks the start of a new season and the celebration of Easter.